Hello, thank you for clicking on my video. Today I will be showing you how to create a kill all dev product inside of Roblox Studio. It does something like this. Alright, let's get started. To start, we are going to create the button that actually prompts the purchase of the kill all dev product. We can do this by simply going to Starter GUI, adding a screen GUI, and then adding a text button for now. I'm not going to make this look fancy, and I will probably speed this up. I'm not very good at UI design. I'll be back. Okay, as you can see, we have a pretty decent looking button now that we can press on. So inside of the text button, I'm now going to add a local script. Inside this local script, I'm going to start by actually making the code that will prompt the purchase. So first we're going to want to define marketplace service. And then when the button is clicked, we'll say script.parent.mouse button one click connect, and we want to cause a function. And we're going to go nps prompt product purchase. I'm going to get a game.players.local player, and we're going to want to prompt them with an ID, which is going to put this to a random number for now, as we haven't made this yet. Okay, so now that's a good point. We are going to make that. So we're going to publish to Roblox, and you call this whatever you want. I'm just going to call it dev product tutorial. This will do for now. Okay. Okay, so you're going to want to find your published game and configure game. Okay, then navigate to the developer product tab, create new, and we're going to call it kill all. I should say, haha, you killed everyone. Here, price, I'm going to put this to 400. We could add an image, but we do not have one. You can make one for your own stuff. Okay, so we press create, and you can see this is the ID. So we're going to copy that, go back across to Roblox, and we're going to paste that in there. Okay, now we're going to want to actually handle killing everyone. So we're going to add a script. Okay, now we're going to define marketplace service. Okay, now we are going to go nps.process receipt equals we're going to go up here, we're going to say local function, or what should we call this, kill all equals, right, kill all. And then we're going to go up here and we're going to, let's say, we're going to return. We need to return edom.product purchase decision.purchase granted. This will just tell Roblox that everything went smoothly. Okay, so now actually as a parameter here, we need to pass the receipt. Okay, now we're going to say if receipt.product ID equals, and then we'll put our ID there. Okay, equals, right? Then okay, we're going to put this actually in there just to be on the safe side. Right, so we've got that in there, and then we're going to say let's define players. Actually, it's pretty best practice. Local players, come on, equals game get service players. Then we're going to say, why is that doing that? Right, for IV in pairs, game.players get players do. So if v, we're going to say if v dot user ID does not equal receipt dot player ID, I think it is, and we're going to check, so that will just basically check so they're not killing themselves. And then we're also going to check if the person actually has a character, so we can kill them. And we're also going to check if they have a humanoid. So then we're going to want to put then, and we're going to say v. I'm going to copy that. So we've got this, and then we're going to say dot health equals 0. So that's just killing it. So this technically should work. So I'll be back in a minute just to test that. Okay, as you can see, we have now loaded into a test server. If you want to do this for yourself, you go up to the test tab up here. For this purpose, I've set it to 2 players, and you press the start button. You can run a little server like this in your Roblox studio. You see, I am player 1. If I click the kill all button, I get the product purchase. And if I click buy now, player 2 is dead, but I am not. So if I go over to the player 2, when they respawn, here we are. So player 2 can click it, they can purchase it, and if I purchase it, player 1's dead. Thank you all for watching. If there's anything more I can help you with, please let me know below. A subscribe and a like would be really good. Thank you.